It might not be the best, but I try to explain what I have experienced in the most logical way I can, especially the gang stalking and the corruption within the tarot community. At its core, what I have been going through is spiritual wickedness. So what is this experience? Spiritual wickedness. So when we look up at the concept of spiritual wickedness, we find that most examples are deeply tied to corruption and oppression. So these forces don't exist in isolation. They usually operate where influence, money, and manipulation converge. In this tarot community, when there are paid readers, narrative control, and a large number of people involved, you'll find both corruption and oppression. So when truth is twisted to serve personal or collective agendas, that is oppression. And when people are manipulated into beliefs or behaviors without their awareness, that is control. And when this goes on for years, it is a sign that deep-rooted structures of power and influence are sustaining it. Systems that may include governments, institutions, and even religious or spiritual movements. Corruption in the space shows up in disturbing ways. One, a clear moral decay, where individuals will cross any boundaries just for profit. Two, abuse of power or influence to gain followers, money, or prestige. And three, distortion of truth and justice to fit narratives that benefit a few at the expense of others. This isn't just unethical behavior, it's a reflection of spiritual alignment with the dark forces that actively resist divine truth, love, and order. Oppression is a sustaining force. So, spiritual wickedness strives through oppression, especially by suppressing truth and spreading deception. In mystic and prophetic traditions, spiritual wickedness is the opposite of divine light and freedom. It operates through fear, confusion, and division. If you truly understand divine truth, it becomes easy to see through manipulative practices, especially when the tarot readings rely heavy on fear-based narratives, comparison, and subtle psychological control. If one can truly see, you can tell what someone values most by how they and what energy they project in their tarot readings. And you'll understand that they do expose themselves. The most corrupt systems hide behind the illusion of justice and righteousness, and they wear the mask of morality while perpetuating harm and deceit from behind the scenes. It's all deception. And the main reason it is important to see through everything and everyone in this world because it's deception. And do not believe anything as the people that mostly label themselves, like for example, they label themselves as prophets or child of God or whatever. People say what they want to be and not who they are. They truly are.